Babe, is it recording?
Yes, it is.
Sanborn, am I
Dumelang.
Hi guys, I'm Lulu.
I'm Tau.
And we are Lemon Juice. So guys, Lemon Juice is...
Wow. What is it about?
Okay guys, so Lemon Juice is basically about me and Lepara traveling around places that are local and basically exploring and showing you guys, when we explore, how do we save money?
Very true, very true.
Yeah.
So Lemon Juice basically is about bootstrap travel. And by bootstrap travel, I mean with the lowest budget that you have, how far can you go and what experience can you build out of it? Today we are at the Howick Falls.
Yeah.
If you look behind us, woo, you see the Howick Falls.
Yeah.
Howick Falls are in Howick. Howick is in KZN. And it's about 15 minutes away from where we stay.
Yeah, we stay in Pietermaritzburg.
Yes. So we stay in Pietermaritzburg, and today we'll be traveling around Howick. So come along and join us.
Openbare politieke binnen binnenkomsten. Beweert aan je vrouw.
Give me zero, man.
Give me zero, man.
lemon juice. Okay, guys. So we started at Howick Falls.
Yeah, Howick
We
Falls.
started at Howick
Howick
Falls.
Falls.
So at Howick Falls, we didn't pay to get in, and it's just free for all. Like
No way to get in.
there's literally zero cost.
Yeah.
So then we went to St. Ives, which is like it's like a wedding venue type of place, and then there's like a dam
And a chapel.
and a chapel, and there's a restaurant there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a restaurant, and then from there we didn't eat. We just checked out the place.
It was a long walk. Like we came
here.
here. I mean, we are at the capture site for Nelson Mandela. It's like, yeah, he had a long walk to freedom, but that was a really long walk.
Our walk was long as
Yeah,
an apps.
it was really long.
And then from there, we went across the road to Piggly.
Piggly Wiggly! Oink! I loved Piggly Wiggly. Let me tell you what I love. No, let me tell you what I love about Piggly Wiggly. Let me tell you what I love.
What?
So, number one, we get to the bookstore. No. It was a biltong. We bought the biltong.
Ooh,
Fatty!
guys,
Yay,
the
yay,
chicken
yay,
licking
yay,
lady
yay,
was
yay,
present.
yay,
Hoy,
yay.
the sauce.
Huh?
Hoy.
Oh, got a chicken leg. Wait a minute. Yeah, bathong.
Good. The lady was there.
Ooh.
She was at the back, but we caught her.
Yeah,
The
we
chicken
saw her.
licking lady was
We
there.
know you.
But she was at
we
the
know
back.
you. We know you. Yeah, that biltong. It wasn't even chili. It was so salty. I forgot it was chili. Like it was too much.
They tried to kill us.
Yeah. And then number two, we went into the bookstore. Guys, I got a book on the Asante people. If you do not know who the Asante people are, look out for the next blog that we'll have on We Are the People on my blog. So it's fine. But
Oh yes, advertiser. Like.
Yes.
You're gonna advertise
Yes.
yourself
yes,
on this
I'm telling you.
is my channel.
It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, so I got a book on the Asante people. The Asante people are the first people who in Africa basically who figured out metallurgy by melting. They could melt gold, you know that? Yeah, and they made utensils and they made jewelry. It's just fascinating. And I only got that book for 45 rand because it is a
45 rand.
yes,
That's a
because
lot.
no, it's not a lot. It's a thrift shop. 45 rand. They probably kept it for like 16 years or something. It's vintage. It's vintage.
Straight.
It's vintage.
Okay, then we went to have chocolate. So they have a chocolate place, a Piggly Wiggly. So
Yeah.
the chocolate place, there's like chocolate on display. And then you also have the option to do your own thing. Like if you wanna, it's like a creative arts type of vibe, but with chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then there's also a candle place. You can do your own candle.
And then there's that weird furniture place. Like, they literally sell furniture that you'd buy for your mother-in-law if you thought that she was really weird. Like, if you didn't know your in-law. Yeah, I said that. I'm telling you. Like,
But then antique furniture is like that. It's like,
antique. Look.
it's weird though.
Nah. Coming from I'm just saying, like,
Okay.
if your parents were working for the government, room divider, you're done.
You're done with them.
Room divider.
You can
So
just stop.
it's so fair corner, babe. It's like this, hear me so, and then you don't know if this is a sofa or some kind of nasty toy. So it was interesting going into this. I don't think we even have footage of that, but next time we'll probably have footage of that.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Mix.
Then,
And then we went to.
the juice place.
Then we went to the juice bar.
Juice bar.
We had a smoothie, spinach. No, we didn't.
Strawberries, red berries, blueberries, yogurt,
milk.
and milk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're lactose intolerant, don't get the yogurt and milk. It's still good, still healthy. And we also got some pizza.
Yeah.
Remember the pizza?
That is the best part, actually, the pizza. Because if nigga have vibes, I want to Venice. Aye. Nigga have vibes, I want darling, you're in Venice. There's the thing. The fire is like.
You know what I love about their pizza?
It's not like they were.
They make it
Yeah.
in a very traditional way.
Yeah.
You know,
it's not like the normal ones we have.
on a date. It's not fast food.
Yeah.
You can see it's not fast food. Like there was thought going into that pizza. You know,
Slow.
even the pieces of chicken, you can see that they were not counted.
They just hoy.
Lena,
They're
Sisi,
hoy.
please. You know who you are. You know who you are. Please.
Wrong today.
Hi. But that one was like good.
It was nice with
Yeah.
barbecue
Hey.
and Shandes.
Yeah.
And then from there, we came here to the capture site, reading about Stato Mandela.
Yeah.
Reading. And then now we're here to do our outro. Now we're here to tell you guys how much you spent.
How much you spent?
Okay, first we spent on petrol. We only spent on petrol.
Yeah, we only spent on petrol. So the idea about bootstrap traveling is spend on travel. And by travel, I mean most of your money should be spent on how you move from point A to B. And then the other money is for food. But the formula for bootstrap traveling is that eat before you leave. It doesn't matter where you go and chief.
Yeah.
Even at weddings. Like, weddings are the worst.
Usatla 6.
Yeah.
You're gonna wait for the food.
Weddings are the
You're
worst.
gonna wait till 6. You must eat first before you leave home.
Oh, when I was Elisa Tamaya, I got Let's go fana ma. They always namageva root, you know?
Yeah. So guys, eat at home.
Hey.
And then plan what's in the line on your way. If it's a long trip, get snacks at a grocery store, and juice, chips, whatever. And then
you can also make a lunchbox. I mean,
you make a lunch.
Sandwiches, juice on the road. You're all right.
Yeah. And then so we only spent on petrol, only spent on food, the pizza and the juice and the book. And to come here for the capture site, we didn't spend anything as well. So in total, we can say we spent less than 300.
Yeah, it was around 210.
Yeah, we spent less than 300 rand.
And that was only because we chose to buy the book. Because, you know, you go there, you must have something. So we chose to buy the book and spend on the pizza. We didn't really have to. Because,
we didn't have to buy the pizza. But then the pizza now, it helped because we shared the pizza. And for two, we didn't get extra drinks. Like, you know, when you go to a restaurant, you must avoid buying like lots of drinks.
Chief.
Because that...
Don't
allow her. Don't allow her to order a milkshake.
Don't allow her.
And then juice.
Don't.
And then...
Wait, yeah.
When you get there, just say food, water with ice and lemon.
Yes.
Not
sparkling water, please.
Tap water. Tap water.
Tap water.
All the way.
Tap water. Umkeni water here. Umkeni water. Give me some of that umkeni stuff.
So then, guys. So basically, we've achieved our goal. Our goal was to explore on a low budget. Because you can't expect to go to Italy when
Santorini.
You want to go to
Greece.
You want to go to Greece. Mara, you've never been. If you're in Joburg, Mara, our artist. How are you going to get to Greece? Or you're in Joburg, you've never been to Middelburg. You've never been to
the simplest place, man.
Hazy View.
Yeah.
Like, those places are so close to you. Or at least Sun City, guys. Go to Sun City. If you're in Joburg. Like, you must always try to find places close to you. Like, if you're in the Free State, you go to Clarence. Like, there's so many places to go.
I think the principle that we're trying to drive is that you don't have to spend a lot to travel a lot.
Yeah.
And that's what bootstrap traveling is all about. So we've coined this term bootstrap traveling, which basically means with the little that you have, with the little budget that you have, you can still travel. We could have just spent on petrol today.
Yeah.
Just the petrol today.
If we packed lunch.
Yeah, if we packed lunch.
Yeah.
So I think in the next trip we'll pack lunch, but so is the juice worth the squeeze?
Yeah, bro.
The juice worth the squeeze.
The juice was worth the squeeze because we spent a little bit of money and we had fun. And we got to learn stuff about each other. Like, Omunyo Sisi, impatient.
Hey!
Omunyo Puti.
He likes to get lost.
He likes to get lost.
Yeah, I love to get lost. I should have been on the episode of Lost. I love to get lost. Yeah.
Guys.
But
So we're going home now.
we're home.
We're going home now
been a lovely
to
day.
prepare for Sunday.
Yeah, it's been a lovely day. Thank
But yeah,
you.
guys, welcome to our channel.
This is lemon juice.
This is Lemon Juice. But then we haven't told you guys about who we are. and
Doesn't
stuff like
matter.
that,
Doesn't matter.
because
Doesn't matter.
because
You'll get to know us.
if you want to know, like, you must keep tuned, guys. So
Yeah.
don't forget to like and subscribe. We don't want people about this
Hey.
lunguzering on our channel and
Yay.
not subscribing.
Yay.
Mele open a commitment.
Yeah.
Umuntu, you know, you must commit to everything. So commit. Hit the subscribe button. There's a bell nyana da, so you hoy. You hoy the bell.
Give that man a bell.
Yeah, we're giving you guys a bell.
Yeah, okay, give us a bell. That's fine. So click on the bell.
Click on the bell,
Yeah.
and then next time we upload a video, we're gonna upload videos every
Week.
what day?
Every Travel Thursdays.
Travel Thursday.
Travel Thursdays.
Travel Thursdays.
Yeah.
So guys, our sign a contract nani, like we are bound every Thursday. If we don't upload a video on a Thursday, we will at least go live. What are you doing?
I'm just fixing that. It's alright.
On Tara.
Let's go. I'm tired.
Very.
You look tired. Don't you feel tired?
I'm not tired.
Really?
No.
Okay, so since this is your channel, Mina, I'm gonna say bye, guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye, but.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.